Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to see Samsung privacy details in your Samsung phone. So at first just swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. From here scroll down, then go to security and privacy. After that scroll down again, then go to more privacy settings option. And here under the Samsung option you can find Samsung privacy website. Then just tap here. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on, and that's it. Here you can see Samsung privacy policy details. Now from here you can read or check your Samsung privacy. Here you can find data privacy, and from here you can read any privacy details as you want. If I tap on Samsung's privacy option, and that's it. Here at the top you can also find categories: environment, security and privacy, accessibility. Suppose if I select accessibility, then just select mobile from here. From here you can read your accessibility privacy details. You can see talkback, display mode, high contrast theme, high contrast font, and here it is. And that is how you can see Samsung privacy details in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.